Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to turn on low power mode on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on battery. In the battery menu, scroll down and you will see an option of power mode on iPhone. Tap on it. Here you will see the option of low power mode. Tap on the toggle switch next to low power mode to turn it on. Once enabled, the toggle will turn green and your battery icon will turn yellow, indicating that low power mode is now active. Low power mode reduces background activity and adjusts performance to extend your battery life. It temporarily reduces features like automatic downloads, mail fetch, and some visual effects until you can fully charge your iPhone. And that's it. Low power mode is now activated on your iPhone, helping you conserve battery when you need it most. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.